It's the Ayre RCC-1. Ayre RCC-1. Initial impression.
Woo! FragWatch here. They were going to be doing some initial impressions on the Ayre RCC-1. Am I saying that right? The Ayre? I don't know. It's good. Here's the dongle for it. Okay, initial impressions. Let's see. Let me get my, should I take the sleeve off? No, we'll leave the sleeve on. Okay, my hands, first of all, measure 17.5 by 12.5 and 4 inches thick on the palm. Not inches, 4 centimeters thick, and like 2.5 on the other side. So I've got, grippy boy, smaller, wider, grippy boy hands. Dwarven. Okay. I was able to play with this in almost fingertip. You can see I can get kind of a hybrid, but my palm can only get about 2 or 3 millimeters separation on that. Turn this off so we're not having a blinky light. The clicks are incredible. The mouse clicks are just, look fucking how crisp that is. There's no pre-trouble. It's just like, the rebound force is nice. The tactility is just incredible on this thing. Like immediately what I first noticed when I put my hand on it wasn't this, surprisingly. It was the clicks. Like these are take notes, people. Take notes, other companies. That's how it should be. Side mouse buttons are very inlaid, but wide enough, and with a variety of grip styles, easy to press. I really enjoyed using them. The scroll wheel is really wide, and it's kind of slippery. Very lightweight. Doesn't take a lot of force to do. The stepping's nice though. It sticks. Like there's like you can't really get caught on the hump of one of the notches. Hump of one of the notches. How dumb. What a dumb way to say it. It's really good. It's got good tactility and very accurate. The click is easy. Like some mouse wheel clicks are really hard to do, but yeah, comes with corner skates and then full skates. I'm using the corner ones because I tested it a lot on the Wallhack CR005 and the VA005. Probably half my time was on glass, so I used this, and it was very pleasurable. Here's the dongle. I had no sensor issues or transmission issues. Very nice, very well done. Software was not bad. Actually comes with a downloadable program. You don't have to use web software. I think they might have web software you can use also. It might just be the desktop app though. I enjoyed using it. Like it was very easy to use. No complaints there. The USB was the USB port. USB-C port was needs to have the tension a little bit tighter on that. Yeah, I think it could be an issue for some people. I love the coloration on this. It just has like kind of an old school feel. I feel like this is best suited for claw grip, or if you have like 20 centimeter or longer hands. I think you'd fingertip grip this and it'd be really nice. Reminded me of like if you took Zeiss Rail from Extrafy and Rocket Jump Ninja, and you gave it kind of like the raised hump and made it wider, like a lot wider, right? I wonder if I have that on my desk so I can like compare that. I don't. Damn it, that's in my laptop bag. It felt a lot like that because of the flatness and just the kind of inlaid sides, right? Like you can see the slope of the sides. Very nice. The sensor skate is really well done. The skate areas are really well done. And the stability is just, this thing's a fucking rock, man. Like really solidly built. Very impressive. I played very well with this. Close. I mean, close to fingertip with the Fenrir. Says a lot, right? Like I had a couple 88 aim rating games with this. That's really good for me. I was rifling half the time. That's crazy. I think that's my initial impressions, right? Like you're definitely not palm gripping this unless you're brain dead. Like this is going to get in the way, obviously. If you have a relaxed claw, you might not like this as much. If you mainly like aggressive claw, Look at the like, this is a really good mouse for aggressive claw. Really good. Like one of the best. Preview of the review. One of the best aggressive claw grip mice on the market today. Bar none. And that's going against like fucking Crazy Light, right? Let's look at like the coating on this also is like, it's grippy. Like you look at it and you don't, it kind of has like a glossy shine to it. It's grippy. It's so grip. Even with this sleeve, it's like, it's just a very impressive mouse. Leave it at that. Catch my review in probably a couple days this week sometime. My mouse is dead. Look at that. Oh, no, it's not. Just timing out. Woo-wee! All right, live stream will continue, but that's it for the initial impressions on the Ayre RCC-1. FragWatch out. Thank you for watching.